Hey everyone, how's it going? Sean, what did you do to the baler? What did you do to the baler? Well, Sean's baler, the one he runs, 566, oh, decided to have the main bearing go out, which I think that was an original, because we haven't changed any bearings except for, I believe it was that one right behind there on the other side. I can't remember. Yeah, the other side. As you can see through there, there's a little bit of a wear spot. Other than that, we haven't changed any bearings on here, except for maybe a roller. Sean is putting the sprocket back on. We've got the new bearing in behind there. They're really easy, 4 bolts, and they slide right off. So, he's just throwing that back on. Yeah. What's... So we got the chain to put on, the big chain. We took a link out of it because it was pretty loose. And shortened that up. I put a brand new chain on here. And we should be good to go. We don't have much hay to bale yet. Just whatever we got cut down, and then it's supposed to rain. So can't get that on. Spacing's different now, Sean. You sure you got it right? They could be bent. Back ones are bent. So maybe just take your hammer and tap on it a bit. Yeah, take those ones off. And just tap lightly on the sprocket. If that doesn't work, you're gonna have to take it off and straighten them spacers. Still? A little bit better? Should grab a block of wood. Grab a block of wood. Give it a couple more taps. Use your ball end. There. Just gotta put some power into it. Okay, well, we got that on there. We had Sean had put the old seal back in, thinking it was a spacer, but good to go now. Now we just put the chains on. Okay, so we got the sprocket on, chain is back on. A link right here. I probably could have, we took a link out of this to loosen or to tighten it up, but probably could have took one more because I got a lot of tightener left. Okay, got that on, and we also broke this spring on the other side, and I got a brand new one. And it's on. Pretty hard because to compress it you have to put something here against here, and I can't get my big pry bar in there, so I was using a screwdriver, and I got a few bruised skin knuckles and didn't film it because there was a lot of choice words. But yeah, Sean's gonna put the twine back in, grease it up, and it's ready to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you all later. And there goes Sean, just adding on to this video. He's made one bale so far, and let's just, yeah, he's made one bale so far. Baler's working pretty good. Hay is dry. If you remember, this is from a few videos back where we were cutting this hay, and yeah, she's pretty heavy. So he didn't go too far to get a bale. But yeah, hay's nice and dry, no rain. Nice and green. A lot of leaves. it does get kind of brownish on top from the heavy dews that we get. So, but yeah, I'll come back later here. I'm gonna go to my baler and finish baling on that little piece that I'm baling on. Well, I'm back to join Sean now. I finished baling on that pasture that I was baling on. Crappy hay, it got rained on, but Sean finished on the north side, which was the side that I first took the video on with Sean cutting with the Moco and Dad cutting with the case. We're back on this side now, and the total acres of this field together, no more than 35 acres at the most. I'm guessing 30. We've got, Sean has 89 bales, I've got 32, I believe. So we're gonna have over 120 bales here for sure, because we still got some to go. That's not bad from 30 acres. Pretty big swaths. They won't even fit under the tractor there. Like I said before, that Magnum needs to have the front end spaced out, even the rear tires spaced out. But we don't usually use this tractor for baling. That's why. Space them out about every 4 inches. It's tying pretty good. That's even, I think my baler's tying a little bit more. I get that 535 set just the way I want it, and then it ties pretty good. It ties a little bit slower when it's cold because the oil is cold in that pump, and then it speeds up after it warms up. So yeah, it's about the same. I think that there's a little bit more twine. Yeah, it's good. Good. Anyway, that's the end of this video now. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll talk to you all later. Have a good one.